Yeah, that didn't work.
So what happens when you don't have anything planned for the day? You convince Martin and Eden to spend a couple dollies for some paint. I wanted to have similar style as the garage, but the gray that we painted it was a little bit blue. So Martin found shark fin. It's definitely more of a cool gray instead of a blue gray. So I think it's gonna look really good. And it's not too dark because dark colors make things look small.
Not always.
We'll see how time flies. We have all 4 rollers, so we're gonna be trying to do it as fast as we can. I think we're only gonna be doing half. Like I was saying, we're gonna be only doing half the shop. We're gonna do it kind of like a two-tone, and there's already a line that we see that we can just tape off. I'm pretty scared of making it perfectly straight, but we're just gonna have to figure it out. You know how hard I worked to organize that? Big.
We worked on it to organize it here just for you to move right there.
Right?
And then now for you to fuck it up. It's already bending. We gotta lift up.
We gotta remove everything. Right.
Yeah, we don't want to break this.
I agree with Stephanie, you're the tallest one, you're gonna have to tape it. Dude, you used to paint for a living.
Where is the tape?
I absolutely hate painting, especially when it comes to body work and even painting the 1J. I get into a very depressing mood. I don't know how you guys do it. It's a lot of work. I mean, I know working on cars is similar, but it's just a different type of labor. What the woman says, it goes, right? Now when they tell you not to spend $1,000 on Ganadors, you don't listen to them when they say that, huh? Everyone start taking their bets. Do you think we're gonna be able to paint everything with a 5-gallon bucket, or we're gonna need 10 gallons? It's a pretty big bucket, but it's also a decently sized shop.
You wanna take all the fuzzies off? Please, just put.
Static Garage tech tip number 27. Actually doesn't look quite as bad. I think right now it's obviously messy. No fuck. That's so loud. I think we fixed the squeak, guys. Ever since we supercharged the car, it's been squealing like crazy.
Why does it not squeal anymore?
That's what I was telling him. I was like, he's gonna be so happy, man.
Finally. You know how long it's been squealing?
It's because we tightened it more. Like I told you. Hey, that door's coming out really nice. We should paint the borders. The front end is my favorite part. It took me forever to find that cow catcher. I'm happy I finally have the front end exactly how I want it, and early style diving boards for life. I'm gonna be taking the E30 M20 head to the machine shop most likely this week, so it can finally start getting refreshed so I can put it back on. Like I said, keeping it super stock engine wise and super reliable, because I did all the maintenance on this car and cleaned it all up. And I just want to drive the damn thing. It just looks so good. I honestly think the E30, the way it's set up, looks a little bit better than the IS300.
Definitely.
Just 3 days ago, I had it all set up. Probably the cleanest the shop's ever been. And now it's all torn apart again. I promise I won't hit you, Eden.
Trust me.
I promise.
Trust me, look that way.
No, why my car? Bitch.
The other side's getting done pretty good. There's Daniel right there reaching for his life, and he just touched the top of the tape.
Are you guys as tired as we are?
If anyone wants this paperweight, let me know.
40 bucks.
40 bucks.
40 bucks for this SR. Nick's not here.
I got this
Damn.
one because I love Martin.
He got it for you.
It's cream filled.
Because I told you to get me maple. I'm just kidding.
Dude. Mom was like, just get her regular glaze. That's what she said. Dude, I'm so tired. We have coffee from DoorDash because Starbucks was closed. And we didn't want to make 2 stops.
So he thinks he has a good shot.
The goal is to hit that fucking green thing.
Go.
Alright, that's it.
I hit it?
No.
My turn. Bitch.
How did I not hit it?
Because you're not a good shot.
What do you mean, bro? It was in the fucking scope.
It didn't even move, bro. You got it.
Yeah, I think caught too much.
I think
Alright, put it back on there.
I think he hit your car. He hit your car, but it's fine.
I'm telling you, you do that.
He hasn't had any like candy or anything for a long time, so he had donuts and he's crazy.
I have a cavity and I'm trying to like stop my ways. I've been working out and like I've been trying to get nice candy.
Your fucking teeth.
It's been like 3 days.
But it's been like 2 weeks, bro, and it fucking sucks because I'm addicted to candy. Now it's starting to look like a shop. We did it, guys. We did it in like a matter of 5 hours, which isn't bad. We still have a bunch of stuff to put away, but that's what the coffee's for, right? I'm pretty sure even replica Ganadors look better than these mirrors. I feel like if I wasn't here all day and then the shop was magically painted, it would just look way different. But because we're in the process looking at everything, it's crazy how we adjusted things so fast. Did you clock in today? Clock in your 8-hour shift?
Right now, I'm not.
Overtime?
I'm not gonna clock out, so I'm in my car.
All right, cool. Yeah, cool. Hey, just don't show up tomorrow, all right? I am beyond tired, guys. We picked up as much as we can before we all knock out. Even with that coffee that I drank like a quarter of, it's not cutting it. I think the walls look great. Still need to paint the back wall and the front wall. In reality, this is really a big change now that you look at it. We weren't planning on doing this today. We had different intentions.
We had a different plan, but Keanu Reeves scammed us.
Oh shit.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh Jesus. It turned out pretty good. I didn't think we would have been able to
These
do
walls
this.
are all jacked up.
I know.
When they did them, everything's like all like going different directions. So I try to line up with the lines that they went through, but of course everything jumped.
Yeah, but no, this side is awesome. Maybe we could touch this one a little bit. Like this one, there was a line in the middle that's different than the wood.
Yeah, later on we'll just tape off the top and it just.
Yeah, we could follow that line all the way across. We just didn't want to right now. But we definitely need to touch up the back wall, make it go all the way through. I think that will complete the look, especially because of the door and the bathroom border. We still need to paint the edges, but you know, we did enough today, especially with the time we had. With it being a lease, we most likely have to return everything back to the same color it was, or might risk giving up our deposit. Which honestly, if we invest a lot in it, it doesn't even matter because we're gonna be spending the same amount to put it back to normal. But it honestly, in my opinion, raised the property value. I'm just saying, looks a lot better. It's always cool showing you guys the growth of the channel, ourselves, and where we came from, because you guys know we came from just working in a driveway for so long. So seeing us move into a shop, making it our own, it's very exciting, and it shows that you guys can do it too if you guys put your minds to it. And I'm trying to make the channel stay like that as long as I can. I know it might get to the point where some of the stuff might be unachievable to some people, but that doesn't mean that you can't just keep going, you know, and try your best, because that's what we're doing. We don't know where this is gonna go, and we're just trying to have fun with it. But On that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Love me in, swerving in the whip and I'll crash again. I can't sleep, you're stuck